quiet morning, a lonely little cat found something precious, a forgotten egg. Through cold nights and heavy storms, the cat protected the tiny egg with all its heart. And one magical morning, the egg finally hatched. Day by day, they grew together, sharing laughter, adventures, and a beautiful friendship. But as time passed, the tiny chick became a big, healthy chicken. And then, the cat had an idea. With spices, fire, and a little bit of regret, the cat prepared the ultimate meal. Sometimes, life comes full circle.